I've been working as a part-time as a substitute through the years in the daycare centers. First, I was focusing on special education, and I never thought I would want to study in the future as my master. And also, I was doing it in Spanish and English, teaching them, and I never knew that I could do that. It was surprising for me that I could reach that level. My name is Melanie. I'm studying early childhood education here in Brooklyn College. Just came back for continuing my education. I started it in my early 20s, and then I had to stop for a couple of years. I had challenges. I was not great in math. I have a learning disability. Also, I have cerebral palsy. So when I became a participant and lead to teacher, they helped me so much, and a lot of the workshops, especially math, helped me to be successful. And I'm still learning. My dream is to be an educator with special education. Also want to do bilingual education because I've been through it, and I just don't want the child to be left out. I would say it's never too old to come back to college. I am a Bulldog ambassador in the Brooklyn College. I learned a lot about the college campus as well, programs that open doors for me. I'm participating in Lead to Teacher program. Some of my classmates didn't even know about it. And I also give them the flyer. I was right there at the table representing the program, and letting them know that it's a great program, staffs that help you to succeed and also help you prepare for exam. If you want to be a teacher assistant, they also have workshop for that. There's open welcome doors, so you don't be afraid to reach the staff and Lead to Teacher.